Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily duplicate records in HubSpot, like contacts, deals, tickets, or companies, using the CloneNer app. This powerful tool can save you tons of time and keep your CRM super organized. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the HubSpot app marketplace, search for the CloneNer app by 4CRMs and install it. It's a quick and easy process, and once you're done, you'll have everything you need to start duplicating records in no time. By the way, CloneNer is officially certified and proudly featured in the HubSpot app marketplace. That means you can trust it as a reliable solution for all your deal duplication needs, quick, easy, and hassle-free. Next, open up the HubSpot record you'd like to duplicate, whether it's a contact, a deal, or a ticket. Let's take companies, for example, to illustrate the process of duplicating. So simply navigate to the Companies section, select the company you want to clone, and click the Duplicate Company button on the right-hand sidebar. Then, a pop-up window will appear. This is the CloneNer workspace, where you can customize your duplication. Now it's time to adjust the details to fit your specific business needs. Give the duplicated company a new name if needed, choose which associations you want to preserve, like meetings, call, tasks, etc., and modify any custom fields. Once you've set everything just the way you want, hit the clone button and you're done. You'll get a confirmation message and the new duplicated company will be ready to use with all the details you chose to keep. And that's it. Duplicating records in HubSpot with CloneNer is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.